everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and as part of the Better Bake series, I am going to be making a dessert. So these are going to be donuts that are baked in the oven instead of deep fried. So if you like this series, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So to make these donuts, you just need a few ingredients, not too many, but you do need these trays. That's one thing that you kind of need to get the shape of the donut. I've seen other people take muffin pans or like the cupcake trays, put a little bit of aluminum foil right in the middle, and then just put the batter in the middle like that. But I just feel like these make it look a little bit more like legit donuts. So I have my wet ingredients and my dry ingredients. For my dry ingredients, I have whole wheat flour, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda, along with some salt and cinnamon. So I'm gonna go ahead and just mix those up together. Okay, and then separately, I'm going to mix my wet ingredients. So I have a little bit of milk, 2 egg whites, a little bit of butter, and then a little bit of vanilla extract. All right, so you just mix this all up, and then you're just going to incorporate your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Perfect. This looks great. So now what you're going to do is fill these up about 2/3 of the way full. Just like that. I did spray it with some Pam spray before I started doing this. And then you're just going to bake it in the oven for about 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And that's it. Next, I'll show you a little glaze that you can make to top it off with. All right, so while those are baking, I'm just gonna make a quick little vanilla glaze. So in front of me, I just have some powdered sugar. I'm just gonna add a little bit of milk to it, and then a splash of vanilla. And you just mix it until it becomes a glaze. Okay, if you see that it looks like this, just add a little bit more milk. But try to just add half a teaspoon at a time so that you don't make it too runny. So a little bit more. All right, perfect. This is the consistency that we are looking for. So once our donuts are completely baked and cooled, we'll dip them in this vanilla glaze, and then I'll show you what to do next. All right, the donuts are out of the oven. I think I said 25 minutes before, but it was actually just 15 minutes. So these look perfect. I've been letting them cool down. And so now what I'm gonna do is just take one at a time, dip it in my vanilla glaze, just like that. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of sprinkles to make them look like donuts. So I'm going to continue doing this to all of them. All right, that looks so cute. Okay, perfect. So my glaze was nice and thin, that's why it's not really that opaque when I put it on. But let's go ahead and taste test. Let me open one up for you guys to see. Yum. All right. Gonna go ahead and taste. It's really surprising, but you kind of still get that consistency of a donut even though it wasn't fried. Alright, so if you like things that are baked versus fried, go back and watch all of my other episodes and continue watching all month long. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. If you guys like things that are baked versus fried, please keep watching. Please comment, like,